Hope is not a strategy. Luck is not a factor. Fear is not an option. The nation that leads in renewable energy will be the nation that leads the world. The future is not set. There is no fate but what we make. Curiosity is the most powerful thing you own. Failure is an option. Fear is not. I am king of the world. Sometimes your whole life boils down to one insane move. Your only competitors are your past achievements. Your imagination can create a reality. People call me a perfectionist, but I'm not. I'm a rightist. I do something until it's right, and then I move on to the next thing. A woman's heart is an ocean of deep secrets. What are you gonna do? Talk the alien to death? Tread softly upon the earth because the faces of the unborn look up at you. Go home, pick up your video camera, and make a film. Old Rose, it's been 84 years, and I can still smell the fresh paint. The china had never been used. The sheets had never been slept in. Titanic was called the ship of dreams, and it was. It really was. The magic doesn't come from within the director's mind, it comes from within the hearts of the actors. I love it when I have a nightmare. To me that means I got my money's worth out of the 8 hours. But failure has to be an option in art and in exploration, because it's a leap of faith, and no important endeavor that required innovation was done without risk. You have to be willing to take those risks. It's about human imagination and curiosity. What's out there? What's in the great beyond? What exists at levels we can't see with our 5 senses?